Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Tech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. China's XPeng commences production of land aircraft carrier, flying car. Chinese electric vehicle, EV, manufacturer XPeng has initiated production of its inaugural flying car, the land aircraft carrier, at a new, intelligent factory in southern China. This facility is noted as the world's first smart factory dedicated to electric vertical takeoff and landing, eVTOL, aircraft. The land aircraft carrier is an innovative model that combines the functions of a conventional road vehicle with a detachable electric aircraft module, designed to offer seamless mobility by allowing drivers to transition between road and air travel as needed. A key feature is the automatic flight mode, which manages route tracing, takeoff, and landing with the push of a button. The factory's initial production capacity is set at 5,000 aerial modules annually, with a projected full capacity of 10,000 units, aiming to assemble a new model every 30 minutes. The vehicle itself is approximately 5.5 meters long, can be legally driven on public roads with a standard license, and parked in conventional spaces, emphasizing integration into existing urban infrastructure without requiring special ground facilities. High market interest is evidenced by the thousands of pre-orders already registered. XPeng positions the flying car as an ideal, unprecedented solution for navigating traffic congestion and facilitating short intercity commutes. The company plans to begin mass production and commercial market launch in 2026. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.